National bird from different countries. USA, the national bird is bald eagle. Mexico, the national bird is crested caracara. Brazil, the national bird is bellied thrush. UK, the national bird is robin. Spain, the national bird is Spanish eagle. Germany, the national bird is federal eagle. Italy, the national bird is Italian sparrow. Norway, the national bird is throated dipper. Turkey, the national bird is redwing. Algeria, the national bird is Algerian nuthatch. Egypt, the national bird is steppe eagle. South Africa, the national bird is blue cranes. Saudi Arabia, the national bird is Saker falcon. Iran, the national bird is common nightingale. UAE, the national bird is falcon. Pakistan, the national bird is chukar. Kazakhstan, the national bird is steppe eagle. Russia, the national bird is headed eagle. Japan, the national bird is green pheasant. South Korea, the national bird is magpies. Indonesia, the national bird is Javan hawk eagle. Australia, the national bird is laughing kookaburra. New Zealand, the national bird is kiwi. Bangladesh, the national bird is magpie robin. India, the national bird is Indian peacock.
आपको इस झंडे की कसम प्लीज गाइस इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए।